Hello and welcome. Thanks for tuning in my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna take a look at my Shuttle XPC. Now this is video part 2. On part 1, if you didn't check it out, this computer was totally disassembled, all cleaned up, checked, really nice condition. Love the design, love everything about it. I would say I should have installed Windows XP, but I went with Windows 98. Now, Windows 98 era of gaming, my gaming interest ended about 1995. I think the last game I played was Command and Conquer, and just short after that, my interest in girls was just all over the place. So I was done with computers. So from about 95 to early 2000s, I haven't played any computer games. So Windows 98 era of gaming is absolutely not interesting for me. But it has MS-DOS compatibility issue, highly MS-DOS compatible, no issues. And I loved MS-DOS games, so that's why I installed Windows 98 in this machine. I don't know any 98 games, but we can go ahead and play MS-DOS games. Now, this one has a built-in sound card, but it's probably too new for MS-DOS games. That's why in this video we are going to install this Yamaha card. Now, I just made a video about this card in a truly MS-DOS machine, and this Yamaha card sucked donkey's ass in that computer. Not compatible, didn't work, no general MIDI, and it was just all over the place. Nothing I would recommend in a truly MS-DOS machine with ISA, use Soundblaster and ESS and so much else, you know, guys. But this one, we have a driver CD, and it's a Windows 98 era of sound card. So we're going to install this and check this beauty out. So let me just make a quick install here. As you can see, do not open your computer when it's powered on, guys. But as you can see here, we have one PCI slot. So let me just go ahead and install it. So let's go ahead and install the original driver CD. Shouldn't be that hard to do. Yeah, the CD was included, so we're just gonna, I don't remember if, yeah, okay, Windows 98 has auto boot, or what's it called. I have it installed graphic drivers, DirectX, DOS, Y-Station, 3D Control, XG Studio uninstall, game and drivers. Yes, please. Yeah. Great. That was easy. I'm gonna check out the CD. All right, let's give it a go. Windows 98, second edition. All right. What? Okay, I'm gonna put in the CD again. Let it just spin up for a minute and say next, so we can find. There we go. Yeah. Audio disk is now required. It is inserted, man. What? Why? Oh, it needs a help file? Dude, driver, install Windows 98. That's odd. Skip that file. Another help, skip that file. Oh, Audio 3D DLL. What? I will figure something out. So what did I do? I went ahead and there we go. There we go. I checked out Phil's Computer Lab page and he has got the proper newest version drivers for this card. So I just downloaded them and we're gonna install it the right way. So the original CD, as you saw earlier, that didn't work. Now, nice installation. Thank you, Phil. So now it is the latest version drivers from Phil's Computer Lab and it's installed the proper way. So let's just go ahead and enjoy this sound card. There we go. Hope it works. Yeah. Wow. I absolutely hate my Yamaha YMF724 sound card. I will throw it in the trash can and I will find something else that just works. Come on. Wow. It was a clean Windows 98 install, chipset drivers, and that was about it. And now I installed my Yamaha card and the computer just locks up. Wow, man, what a shitty experience. The original disc doesn't work and it looks like new. The drivers from Phil's Computer Lab doesn't work with my computer. This sound card in an MS-DOS machine is a really bad solution. Wow. I'm speechless for the first time. Alright, I uninstalled the drivers and now my computer doesn't lock up, so the drivers, it just doesn't work. I have a manual here. It has a jumper setting and the manual tells about installing real DOS in MS-DOS mode, and I did that in another DOS machine and it was really bad, guys. So this sound card is good if you don't have an ISA slot, if you only have PCI, if you run, Pentium 4 system. If it worked, it could be nice to check it out, but as you can see, I hate it. And I'm not gonna install it as a Windows DOS sound card, so yeah, I'm just gonna throw it out, man. So what we're going to do in this part 2, we're gonna forget everything about that Yamaha shit, and we're gonna install this Soundblaster Live card and enjoy MS-DOS music. So if you like MS-DOS gaming era, you have to visit Phil's Computer Lab. In there you have this little file that is ready. It says boot up in MS-DOS mode. You can just put this icon at the desktop there and Phil has done everything ready for you. And it boots up here. We don't need DC-ROM support, so we're just gonna take expanded memory, and mouse. That's about it. Now, this is why I use Windows 98, because MS-DOS mode. Again, I don't care about 98 games. No history with them, no love for it. My love, computer love, started at Windows ME XP era. Alright guys, so we have installed a proper Soundblaster card right now. Now this card is just too new for MS-DOS era. But again, if you have a new system you want to play MS-DOS games on, then this Soundblaster Live card, you can get it for peanuts, guys. They're so cheap. So many Pentium 4 computers have these Soundblaster Live cards installed, and Pentium 4 systems, they come for peanuts. Today you're gonna have them for free. A lot of office PCs were Windows were a Pentium 4 system. So these cards, they're common, they're cheap, and they're great. Okay, nothing like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is actually we're going to use the drivers from Phil's computer lab. That's called Live DOS, and we are going to use, I think it was Live Init. Yeah, and just wait a second. There we go. Initialization complete. Nice. Now we're going to enter games. We're going to enter Duke. We're going to set up. And look at this beauty, man. We are going to choose. Now check this out. Soundblaster is really bad on this one. We're going to check it out. Is it just bad or what? Nothing like this card. Okay. Now, Soundblaster mode, really bad. But it doesn't matter, because this Soundblaster Live card, it can play general MIDI. That's the whole beauty of this card. Again, you can get it for peanuts. And check this one out, guys. What's not to like, man? What's not to like? Love this card. Listen to this. Not the best speakers, as you can see, but it does the job for me. Oh man, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Why doesn't it have that crosshair? Does it see? How do I deactivate this one, guys? If you guys know, just write in the comments below. We're running 800 by 600. We're running on a really cheap computer. You can have this on Pentium 3s in 2020. They're not cheap. Pentium 4s, AMD Sempron PCs, you can get them for peanuts, guys. And you can, install Windows 98. If you don't care about 98, it's okay, because it can play. What are you waiting for? It can play MS-DOS games. So this is a nice, cheap, easy, simple solution. Again, a really cheap solution to play MS-DOS games, guys. Who's shooting me, man? Oh, that's the guy up there. Up there. Oh, teleportation technologies. Where are you? yeah, as you can see, it's highly compatible. It works and it runs really, really nice. I love everything about it. Just get a proper sound card and you will be enjoying everything. Wow, man. Yeah. Let's try one more game. There we go. Just for the fun of it, let's just let's choose Soundblaster 220 just to listen to how bad it sounds in Soundblaster mode. Okay. That's not good. Let's just listen to it for 1 minute. Right? Oh, it runs so well, man. Again, no hanging notes, no compatibility issues. It's such a nice sound card. The Soundblaster Live. And this is the model SB0100. Got it for free. I have like 15 or 20 of these. Cost nothing. They're just great. Now the greatness is up here. General MIDI again. Let's check the same game out. Oh my greatness. Okay. Listen to this, guys. Oh, I love it. Feels like 1993 again. Yeah. I love it. Wow. I absolutely. Now, I played this game on, back then in normal Soundblaster mode. So experiencing these games in general MIDI today with a fast PC, fast loading speed and highly compatible, and in general MIDI, it's like rediscovering everything, man. It's such an amazing experience, and you can have this experience for peanuts, I'm telling you, and it just works, man. So get one of these really cheap, I don't know, Pentium 4 systems, AMD systems, and with a high probability it has already a Soundblaster Live card installed, and you can enjoy general MIDI, man. Yeah. What? Yeah. Wow. Who's shooting? I'm telling you, it runs so well. Oh, nice, man. All right, guys. want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this part 2 of my Shuttle PC build. I absolutely love this PC. It looks great, it feels great, it works great. It has got fast speed when loading Windows 98, when loading MS-DOS. Of course, it's a Sempron XP 3000 with 512 megabytes of RAM, and as you saw in part 1, I love the way it cools down the CPU and everything with one cooler. The PSU, CPU, the whole case gets cooled by one fan here. Really nice system, doesn't take that much space. If it didn't have a PCI slot, then I couldn't, play MS-DOS games, because the built-in sound card, they're just too new, they're not MS-DOS compatible. So having this PCI slot, this one slot is perfect, man. I don't know what video card it has. I haven't installed no drivers, no nothing. I have had no issues with no video cards in MS-DOS modes when using newer computers. That's just nothing. So yeah, you can build one of these systems for peanuts, guys, and go ahead and look at Pentium 4 computers, how cheap they are, and go ahead and look at these Soundblaster Live cards and check out how cheap they are. So yeah, you can enjoy this just like I am. So I want to say thank you for watching, thank you for everything, and now I'm gonna go out with my son and use this shit as a frisbee. Woohoo!